So you see, you don't have to pay me now. You take your word, you use it for a while, and if you like it, maybe want some more words, I will be right here for you. Sweet deal, eh?
Excuse me, is your name Smelly Tavares?
Yeah, well, maybe it is, and maybe it isn't.
Yes, it is. That's Mr. Smelly.
Excuse us, kids. We'd like to talk to Mr. Smelly alone for a while, okay? All right.
Remember what we said.
I understand you've been selling words to the children around here.
So?
Well, so? You make Elmo really, really unhappy.
Hey, that's your opinion.
Well, we might be interested in buying a word or two.
Well, why didn't you say so?
Well, what have you got?
Hey, take a look. There you go.
These are words that you want to sell to the kids around here?
Let me see.
No, Maria. Trust me, these are not words that we want Miles and Gabriella using.
Maria, what does this word say?
Never mind, Elmo. Why don't you go get Biff his cup of Java? Extra light, 4 sugars?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You were going to sell these words to the children on Sesame Street?
Hey, it's a free country.
A free country, you
No,
little...
wait, Maria. No, you're right. You're absolutely right, Mr. Smelly. It's a free country, and you have every right to sell these words to our kids.
What?
And if you do, we have every right to...
Hey, I see your point. Hey, no hard feelings, okay?
Smelly?
Huh?
The words.
Hey, come on, I need these words. A guy's gotta make a living.
The words.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. You may now be excused.
Yeah, well, I'll see you around.
You better not see us around.
And it'd probably be a good idea if we didn't see you around either.
Yes, man.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters B and G and by the number 12. Sesame Street is a production of the